Once upon a time, in a tiny village, there lived a sweet little rabbit named Luna. Luna loved playing in her best friend's magical garden. The garden had flowers of every color and a secret rainbow hidden behind a waterfall. One sunny day, Luna and her friend, a bird named Sunny, decided to explore the garden together. They chased after butterflies and picked colorful flowers. As they walked, Luna stumbled upon a hidden path she had never seen before. The path led to a beautiful rainbow bridge. Shining bright and inviting, Luna and Sunny crossed the bridge and found a hidden garden party with all the garden creatures. They were celebrating the longest day of the year with delicious food and fun games. Luna and Sunny joined the party and had the best time. As they said their goodbyes, Luna realized that she never would have found the party if she hadn't taken the path. She felt happy and proud of being brave enough to explore. Sunny told Luna that being brave and trying new things is the key to finding amazing surprises. Luna learned that day that sometimes the best things in life are just around the corner, waiting for us to be brave enough to find them. From that day on, Luna and Sunny explored the magical garden together, discovering new wonders every day.